Hi, here's how to set up your UW Club email account on your mobile phone using the IMAP settings. We're going to be using this email app, the one with the @ sign in the middle of an envelope here. If you cannot find it on your desktop, you can click on the apps or option here on the bottom left corner, and you should be able to see it in the list of the apps that you have. If you still cannot see it, what you can do, where you can see Samsung here, put your finger and swipe down. The screen is going to change. On the top right corner, you can see the cogwheel icon. Click on that, and that will bring you into the settings. Scroll down to look for account. Here's the email app again. Click on this, and look for the settings here. Click on the settings. I've got two emails already imported into this application, the Hotmail and the Yahoo, but here's what we're looking for: the plus sign on the top right corner here to add a new one. So I'm going to click on this and put my email address. The one I would like to use, Will Smith at uwclub.net. You need to type everything in full and then put in your password. If you would like to see the password that you're typing, just to make sure you're not making a mistake, you can click on show password. And if you want to send email from this UW Club account by default, you can have this checked. But if you don't want, you can leave it unchecked and click on manual setup on the bottom here. If you don't see it directly, probably it's hidden, you can just slide it up or scroll up a little bit and you see the manual setup. This will allow you to set up the kind of account you want. Do you want the POP3 account or the IMAP account? I've already done the one for the POP3 account. This time around we're going to be using IMAP account. So click on the IMAP account and it will give you the username. Your username must be full email address. So type in the full email address, not just the username. The password is already there. And the IMAP server settings and the POP server settings is almost the same thing. The only difference are is the port numbers. So put the pop3.uwclub.net as it is there if it is not written on yours. The security type should be none. The port number for the IMAP server settings is 143. For the POP3 server settings it is 110. So that's just the difference. The IMAP POP prefix, leave that's optional. Hit on next. Now we're configuring the outgoing mail server settings. This is for you to be able to send out email from this application. So that should be smtp.uwclub.net, everything lowercase. The security type should be none, and the port number should be 25. The port number for the IMAP protocol and the POP protocol will be the same, that is 25. So check the require sign in. Your username must be there, the full email address and the password, and hit on next. And the other account options are here. You can just leave everything as it is. If you want notification whenever you receive an email, you can leave that check there and hit on next on the bottom here. Now, other optional settings here will be to give your account a name. You can put it as UW Club or put in your full email address. And this part is for how you would like people to receive your email. So once you're done with that, hit on done. And the account is setting up now. It shouldn't take long. And now it's communicating with the UW Club server. It's going to be downloading all my emails. As you can see, all my emails have come through. So this is how to set up using the IMAP account protocol or the IMAP account settings. Thank you.